Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what makes Vanguard Cash Plus different from a bank account. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account, not a traditional bank account. It's offered by a brokerage, Vanguard, and is designed to be a place for your short-term savings and to manage cash alongside your investments. One of the biggest differences is the interest rate. The Vanguard Cash Plus account typically offers a much higher interest rate than a traditional bank savings account. This is a key feature that helps your cash work harder for you. Another major difference is how your money is protected. While traditional bank accounts are FDIC insured up to the standard limit of $250,000 per depositor, Vanguard's account sweeps your funds into a network of partner banks. This allows for a much higher level of FDIC insurance, up to $1.25 million for individual accounts. However, a traditional bank account offers features that the Vanguard Cash Plus account does not. For example, you can't write physical checks or get a debit card for ATM withdrawals with the Cash Plus account. Your primary way of moving money is through electronic transfers. Additionally, the Vanguard account has a unique feature. It offers the option to invest your cash in money market funds. This provides another way to potentially earn a return on your savings, which is something you won't find with a standard bank savings account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.